Okay. Personally, I grew up in a Christian family, yes. And when I grew up, I went to church. I was actually one of those kids. I was at church, like, you know. And when I was in church, they told me, you get married, you're not supposed to have sex before you get married, right? So now is saying they don't want to marry virgins. So who marries a virgin? Like, honestly. And on top of that, yeah. So I think, well, personally as a girl, right? Me being deflowered, well, for me, I would say, virginity sometimes as a girl is your pride. You know, it's you knowing, because, all right, I had many temptations, but I never actually fell prey to all that. And I'm saying I'm preserving myself for my husband. Because he's my husband, but my husband doesn't want a virgin. So that's food for thought. But then we also look at the fact that the virgins don't want to marry virgins. So it's actually quite a dilemma. Yeah. Because
I actually wanted to ask you to say, as a girl, would you want to get married to a virgin?
Well. Honestly, I wouldn't.
What would have an experience with it?
Like, you know, being a virgin is already difficult. So you need someone who know how to, to make it less painful, and yes. So I wouldn't.